Welcome back, YouTube. Do you see that warning light? The one that says maintenance required? So we had a customer drop off this car, her Toyota, and she said every time the maintenance light comes on, it means it's time for an oil change. So I just wanted to clarify the definition of maintenance required for you. So, in your owner's manual, it will tell you what to look at every time that your vehicle is due for a certain amount of mileage intervals. Most vehicles are equipped with a maintenance required or service engine soon, or service vehicle soon, or oil change reminder. All that is a reminder to you that your vehicle is due for some type of maintenance. That also includes an oil change, which is the most popular. So that light doesn't just mean that you need an oil change. That means you need your filters checked, your wipers checked, your tires checked, maintenance. Check all the maintenance items, because that's the stuff that wears out commonly and needs attention in the higher frequency rates, unlike brakes, engines and transmissions and rear ends and things like that. So I just wanted to clarify with everybody out there, maintenance required doesn't mean that you just need an oil change. Let's clear that myth up. If your car has 0 mileage and then your maintenance light comes on, which is set to set you up for failure, keep in mind, because with sludge and blow by and all this stuff, and engines, consuming oil, by what the dealerships and manufacturers have programmed into your maintenance required lights. And some vehicles you can go in there and readjust it, but typically no one's doing that. So don't change your oil every time the maintenance required light comes on, because you know what? If your engine's consuming oil already, guess what? Your engine's low on oil and it's creating problems inside. But that's a whole nother story there. But maintenance required means maintenance. Maintenance is a good thing to have a car that stays in good shape. Thanks for watching.